Today, we're talking about grilled barbecue chicken thighs on my Traeger grill. So let's head out, fire up the grill, let's make something tasty. We're gonna go ahead and top off the Traeger with my favorite Ace Reserve blend pellets and then set our cooking temperature today for 425 degrees. We don't need a lot of ingredients to make some pretty delicious chicken thighs, and I'll tell you today, I'm going with boneless, skinless. I don't need the skin on there and I don't need the bone. They're gonna come out fantastic without it. Now, my secret tip today, that's right, mayonnaise. We're actually gonna use a little bit of mayonnaise instead of oil to act as a binder. This is gonna add some fantastic flavor. We're gonna season it off with our Oink Rub today. That's gonna give it that sweet, classic barbecue flavor. And then at the very end, we're gonna drizzle them with a little bit of fire honey to finish these guys off. We will go ahead and add these thighs in there. I'm gonna add them kind of maybe bone side up, if you will, but just wanna lay them out in here super quick, get them in there nice and neat, like so, and then we'll go ahead and add our mayonnaise, like that. Now what I'm gonna do is carefully go ahead and get that mayonnaise rubbed around here, and then flip these guys and do the same thing on the other side. Now, I probably won't add any more mayonnaise to the mix because it looks like I have just enough for what I need. I'm just trying to get a light coat. Again, this is my binder on here, right? Making some pretty fantastic chicken. And then once we get it all set like that, we'll go ahead and season side number one, a little bit of Oink Rub. Now, season as light or as heavy as you want. That's what we always say. All right, now we'll season that second side up as well. Get these guys all mixed in and let them sit. This is perfect prep work to do while the Traeger heats up. Today we're gonna be cooking at 425 degrees. We are preheated to 425 degrees. Go ahead and get those thighs on there. You can hear that nice sizzle. Now we're gonna leave these on about 6 minutes aside. That's how long I want to start this off, get them nice and seared, right? Lock in some of those juices, start building a little bit of those beautiful barbecue flavors. But we'll get the lid closed. We're gonna let these guys go, like I said, about 6 minutes on the first side. Here we are, 6 minutes in, time to flip. Look at that, we're getting a beautiful little bit of color on there. Give these guys a flip. We're gonna let them go another 6 minutes on the other side, and then we'll start checking temperature. Here we are right at 12 minutes. Let's go ahead and check temp. Not quite there, we're sitting at about 135, 143. Yeah, we're sitting at about 143 on average. So we'll go ahead and close it, let these finish. We're gonna pull them at 165 degrees. Just like that, we are done. Look at that beautiful color on those. We'll get these pulled off. We'll head into the kitchen. Tell you what, this is one of my barbecue favorites. And for the finishing touches, look at that, a little bit of fire honey. That, right there, chicken perfection. All finished, we drizzled them with a little bit of fire honey. That is one of my barbecue favorites. Another one of my barbecue favorites, pork belly burn ends. That video, it's coming up next.